Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. Today I finally get to unveil our brand new line of faux leathers and 7 new printed vinyls. Now if you had the opportunity to shop over the last month in our Dunellen, Florida store, then you've already seen these. They're not new to you. It's only going to be new to our online customers. And for those of you who are not aware, we do ship worldwide. We are based here in Dunellen, Florida. Like I said, we do have a storefront now, so I'm excited for that. But if you want to shop online, please go to sewyours.com. So let's start off with our faux leathers. I've got 4 gorgeous shades right here. The first one is our peacock color. Next up, I have our army colored. And let me show you a pattern that I have made up. This bag I've been carrying for a couple of weeks. I've already got it stuffed here of all of my personal items. This is the Isa Handbag by Petals Sewing Patterns, and that is spelled I-S-S-A. I absolutely love this bag. I love the size of it. We paired this with a gold hardware. So all of the hardware that you see on this bag, with the exception of the strap connectors, can be purchased on our website right now. The strap connectors will be hitting our website in the very near future. So if you're interested in these strap connectors, please go ahead and sign up for our newsletter to be notified when they go live. I love the army colored, like I said, because I went ahead and chose that for myself. And here we have the wine colored. And let me show you a closer look at the wine colored and the texture variation or the color variations that you do get within these faux leathers. I personally like a variation of colors versus a solid one color tone. So that is why I've chosen these faux leathers. And lastly, we have our camel color right here. Camel in the faux suedes that we carry has been a very big seller, so now we have it now in the faux leathers. So that is the 4 new colors of our faux leathers. Okay, the first print that we have is our Birds and Blooms print. This features a cute little bird that is in a pink and purple shade with lots of blooms around them and foliage. This is on a black background, but it almost looks like a navy as well. It's a very, very deep navy color. That is the first printed vinyl. And if you're not familiar with our printed vinyls, they are domestic and industrial machine friendly. They are done on a pebble texture vinyl. Here we have our Poppin' Paisley. So this is a bright pink paisley print set against a very dark gray background. All right, here is our Midnight Orchard print. So we've got oranges, strawberries, and blueberries set against a black background. As with all of my printed vinyls, I also do matchmakers. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you the matchmakers for these particular vinyls and faux leathers. Here we have our birds, blooms, and butterflies print. So it's very similar to that first one I showed you. These birds are done in a pink and kind of like a yellowy orange color. And then again, we've got butterflies and blooms on here as well. And this is a this is a gray background. Next up, we have our Heritage Blossoms print. So we've got a rust-colored flower, cream color, and a teal-colored flower on this particular print. All right, this next one's really fun, and it is full of vivid color. This is our Mystic Mushrooms print. So we've got these hot pink and yellow mushrooms set against a black background. So this one is super fun. And lastly, we have our blush blooms. So we've got these soft pink blooms against a gray-blue background. So there you have it, our new faux leathers and printed vinyls. Go ahead and shop on our website at sewyours.com. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.